This resource booklet supports a STEM project with an engineering focus, linked to the storybook Rosie, Revere, Engineer by Andrea Beatty. Children's stories can provide great context for STEM learning. Stories can engage the children, are a powerful way to convey information, and can present ideas in something that is easy to understand. Rosie Revere is the main character in the story. Rosie loves to invent things, and she dreams of becoming a great engineer. Things don't always go to plan for Rosie, so the story also provides a great context to explore resilience and perseverance with the children, as well as the themes of problem-seeking and solving, creativity and improving, all of which are engineering habits of mind. As Rosie is a female engineer, the story also serves as a reminder that professions are skills and gender neutral and gender independent. The activities suggested in this resource pack have an engineering focus and are linked to experiences and outcomes in technology, specifically designing and constructing models and products, use of materials, and the application of engineering. In the activities, the children use something called the engineering design process, which is used by engineers. This allows the children to design, build, test, evaluate, and improve their designs. The engineering design process can be used as a problem-solving tool in any area of the curriculum and/or for finding the answer to questions, even for the most simplest of questions. For example, what game should we play in the playground today? To answer this, they have to imagine the equipment needed, read or plan the rules, play the game, and then they can reflect on how to improve it next time they play it. The activities in the pack can also provide the children with opportunities to talk about and become aware of the skills they are developing and how these link to future study and careers. The first activity introduces the engineering design process to the children. Using recycled materials, just as Rosie does in the book, the children invent something of their choosing. It is a short task in which the children follow the steps of the engineering design process. Rosie invents a hat for her Uncle Fred the zookeeper. The hat is designed to keep snakes off his head. This is also the second task in the pack, again focusing on the engineering design process. It is a more demanding task and provides opportunities for the children to begin to think about the engineering habits of mind that they need or have applied during the activity. The third activity in the pack is the biggest challenge. Research is introduced as part of the process to inform features of the design for an enclosure for chimpanzees at the zoo. The features must include things that make it more environmentally friendly, such as solar panels, recycling, etc. Part 2 of the task is then to incorporate something into the design to stop the chimps escaping undetected. This might involve an alarm and an electrical circuit, or could involve a microbit used as a light sensor. These are suggestions only. The children will have many ideas of their own. The story tells us about Rosie's weird and wonderful inventions. The last activity involves looking at wacky inventors and their inventions, such as Heath Robinson and Wallace and Gromit, and then designing a wacky machine to carry out a simple task. It is suggested that this could be done as a home learning or family learning task. Although the focus in this pack is an engineering one, including the engineering design process and engineering habits of mind, the activities also link to experiences and outcomes in technology, science, health and well-being, maths and numeracy, and literacy. Although Rosie Revere Engineer is a book aimed at 5 to 7-year-olds, you can see it lends itself in so many ways to be enjoyed and used as a context for learning with older primary age children too.